The party was nice, the party was pumping.
Hey, yeah.
And everybody having a ball. Until the fellas start the name calling. And the girls respond to the call. I hear a poor one shout out,
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
I see the dance people had a ball cause Billy Fountains get out. Get back Gruffy, bash Gruffy, get back you flea infested mongrel.
Sneeze. Yeah, sneeze. Good
boy. Good boy.
But they tell me, hey man, it's part of the party. You put a woman in front and a man behind. I have a